Joyville, a paradise for children, where everyone finds something to their liking. Here it's always magical and fun. You can ride the slides, dive into a pool of soft balls, challenge yourself as an adventurer in an intricate maze, or even become a star on our dance floor. Here you're sure to make new friends and never feel bored.
You'd be a great adventurer.
Mistake? Just make everyone think it was supposed to be that way. You know, improvise and all that.
You seem to have forgotten even the cutest kitty can have claws and fangs.